Yesterday, out of nowhere, Anthropic dropped Claude Opus 4.5, and they're calling it their smartest model yet, especially for coding, long context workflows, and autonomous agents. It is November 25th, 2025, and you're watching the Daily Dose of AI. Anthropic is no longer just the safe AI player. Opus 4.5 is a direct shot across the bow of Google's Gemini, OpenAI's developer-oriented models, and every other LLM that pretends it can write production code. With AI agents becoming the new battleground, this is a huge play. To rewind a little, Anthropic's been pushing hard on the agent plus reasoning plus coding front. Their prior models, Opus 4.1, Sonnet 4.5, already got respect for structured reasoning and tool use. But until now, context windows, cost, and tool calling inefficiencies were real bottlenecks. Enter Opus 4.5, built to tackle all of that, according to Anthropic. Opus 4.5 is a hybrid reasoning model, designed to do both fast, reactive responses and deep thinking when needed. It supports a 200,000 token context window per Anthropic, which is very large, but not quite in the million token club yet. There's now a new effort parameter for API users. This lets you trade off between latency, cost, and reasoning depth. Smart, because not every task needs full meta-reasoning. According to Anthropic, Opus 4.5 hits 80.9% on SWE bench verified, which they say is state-of-the-art for coding tasks. On computer use tests, like using applications, tool calls, they report 66.3% OS world score. They claim that for long-horizon coding, refactoring, working across multiple files, Opus 4.5 uses up to 65% fewer tokens than earlier models. That's huge for cost. There's a mechanism called tool search. Instead of loading all your tool definitions into the context up front, which costs tokens, Opus only brings in the ones it actually needs, apparently reducing context bloat by up to 85%. They're pushing agentic workflows. You can build agents, multi-step programs, where Claude reasons, plans, and calls tools more efficiently. Desktop/dev integrations. Claude Code. Desktop is upgraded. According to Anthropic, the model can ask clarifying questions before executing a plan. That helps avoid catastrophic misunderstandings. Productivity tools. They added Excel integration, beta, for Mac/team/enterprise users, which means Claude can manipulate spreadsheets. Opus 4.5 is available via Claude's API, Claude Apps, and on major clouds, Amazon Bedrock, Google Cloud, Vertex AI, Microsoft Foundry. Token pricing. According to Anthropic, $5 per million input tokens, $25 per million output tokens. They also highlight cost-saving features. Prompt caching and batch processing can reduce effective costs. Anthropic claims the model is robustly aligned and has gone through extensive internal and external evaluations. But longer context plus more autonomy equals higher risk vectors for prompt injection, malicious tool misuse, or problematic agent behavior. Not their words exactly, but this is the trade-off. For developers, this model could actually change your life. If Opus 4.5 really delivers on multi-file reasoning and efficient cost, dev teams may start using it for serious code generation, bug fixing, and even self-healing agents. For businesses, teams building autonomous agents, e.g. automated workflows, chatbots with actionability, might now prefer Claude over others because of the tool calling optimizations. But there's a risk. Big context, Windows plus agentic capability equals more attack surface. Anthropic will have to walk a tightrope between power and safety. Also, this is part of the broader trend where all frontier models are now competing for developer workflows, not just chat. The era of AI as a coder is coming faster. So, what's the real takeaway? Claude Opus 4.5 is a serious bet by Anthropic, not just on smart chat, but on building developer-grade AI. If their claims hold, it could shift how devs build, debug, and automate, but it's not a magic wand. Risks remain, cost matters, and alignment will be tested. Smash the like and subscribe, and let me know, do you think Opus 4.5 is the AI dev tool that finally kills the junior dev job, or is that still a few models away?